everybody. Welcome back to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. I'm here with Kimball. How old are you, Kimball?
6.
6. And today it's the holiday season, right? So we wanted to do a fun what?
Santa!
Santa, of course, you gotta draw Santa. So we're gonna draw together Santa Claus. Enjoy and thanks for joining us.
Okay, do it.
Okay, get your black marker. And so we're gonna do a Santa Claus here. This one's gonna be kind of fun, maybe a little difficult, so get ready. This is gonna challenge everyone's skill set. Okay, kids, here we go. We're gonna start out with, I'm gonna draw a big nose first and then build around it. Is that all right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so right here, we're gonna do a big U. Okay? And big old Santa has big nostrils. So we're gonna do 2 nostrils on the side. And then right here we're gonna draw an eye, a big rainbow eye. On the other side, another rainbow eye. Okay? And let's connect this bottom line like a little rainbow. Good. And that just shows a little happy, squinty eye. And look, so we got to draw the eyes in here now. Big circles. Big circles to fill that eye up. Let's do another one in there. Circle. Circle. See, the eyes are taking shape. And I like to draw another circle to be the highlight and color in around it. Okay? The highlight is the most important part of the eye. That white circle that we leave, it really brings the character to life. So as you can see, we got a white circle, black circle, and another circle. And that really brings our character to life here. So now, old Santa needs big bushy eyebrows. So let's do a big caterpillar jelly bean over his eye.
Jelly beans.
Big jelly bean. Another big caterpillar jelly bean.
Jelly beans.
And Santa needs some, let's start with the beard. Classic. Okay, this is going to be the fun part. We're going to start on this nostril and we're going to go down
To the other nostril.
to the other nostril and we're going to build a beard. So follow me and make a bunch of puffy, fun beard marks. And these don't have to be perfect, just have fun with it. Connect to the nostril. There we go. We have a big, huge, cloudy beard. And now let's make a little mustache. So I'm going to start right here and go boom, boom. Boom, boom. And now we're going to draw this mouth. It's going to be open because he's smiley, he's talking, and we'll draw a big mouth right here. So ready? It's going to be a big U-shaped. Good. Now I'm going to bring this, another U shape to make some teeth. And I'm going to bring another shape to make the top teeth. And I always like to show the tongue. It adds a little fun in there. Now let's color this in black around the tongue, around the teeth to give it some life. What's that, Kimball? What's your favorite thing about Christmas, Kimball?
That everybody gets together around their family.
Oh, family is the best, isn't it? I'm gonna draw a couple of fun marks there. Santa Claus is coming to town, so let's draw some big cheeks right here. Some big, 1 cheek, 2 cheeks. And should we draw some ears? 1 ear, 2 ear. And I like to make a little, to make it look like an ear. Good. Your Santa looks awesome. Santa's getting ready to come to our house, I hope. Hope everyone's been good. So now we're going to make the puffy hat, right? What do you call that?
The
puffiness around the hat?
Cotton.
Cotton, okay. So add some puff around the head. Connect the ear to the ear. See how that worked? And now we're gonna do that same thing but upside down. Okay? So let's go. Connect the ear to the other ear. Our Santa's looking good. Now we're going to do a kind of a floppy hat. As you can tell, we've used this whole piece of paper, so there's not a lot of room, but that's okay.
Mine has a lot of room.
You do have a lot of room. You're doing good. I used all my space for that beard. So here, I'm going to go up to the top of my page and all the way down. And then I'm going to go boop, and bring a pointy hat down. And now we need the puff ball on the bottom of that hat, right?
Puffy.
But that puff ball can't go inside of his beard. We're going to make it go behind his beard. So 1, 2, stop.
1, 2, stop.
1, 2, 3, stop.
1, 2, 3, stop.
And there you have it. Your Santa looks happy and ready to deliver presents. My Santa looks happy, ready to deliver presents. Now let's color it. Time to fast forward.